Alrighty guys, we're gonna play a game. This is called the animal pass. And basically what you do is you pass this stuffed animal and between your thighs to the person next to you, and he has to go all the way back and to the front again. And the first person to bring it back to the leaders wins. Well, the group wins. And we'll begin then. I'll tell you when to start. Alrighty.
Come here.
1, 2, 3.
Stop.
Bring it.
You're bringing everybody back. What am I supposed to do?
Go back to her. Wait, now I gotta catch it. Go.
Just tickle her, she'll drop it.
Wait, whose decision is
Get the butt! You got it? You guys are going back to me.
This is so hard.
Never mind.
Paul. Terry or Angela.
Okay.
Did we get it? Yeah! Yeah, because we didn't know.
That's your fault.
Okay. So,
Where
yeah,
that
sit
flop
down or
was.
stand up or whatever, it doesn't matter.
What?
That flop was. Oh.
Yeah. Alrighty. So, in this game, you guys worked together great, and it was like, you guys won. Great for that.
Champions!
And, so what are some things you guys thought about this game, or how do you think it affected you guys as a group? Did you guys feel more comfortable between each other? Like, even, I know there's people between you guys that don't know each other.
Yeah, you can get closer to shooting and now it's not getting awkward.
Anybody else?
Oh, fine, whatever it is. We disregard.
Teamwork!
Teamwork, that's great. Like, I know that it's super awkward passing something into your eyes to somebody else.
Yeah.
And, like, you can, I don't know, do you guys feel closer to each other now? Do you feel like you can work together?
After that, I think we can do anything.
Still a little.
Melissa has
I was just saying that
You know, you're like,
I feel like because you're on a team, you're like, even though you don't know the person, you're both like in it to win it. So it's good. It's fun.
Yep.
you got to see the real competitive side of some people.
Yep.
Alrighty guys, thank you.